Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best budget solar generators in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Jackery Portable Power Station. The first solar generator in our list is from Jackery. Jackery has become a reliable brand in terms of portable power stations and solar generators. Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 1000 is one of the most powerful options on our list with 1002 Wh capacity. With this portable station, you can power up to 8 AC appliances simultaneously. The power of this solar generator makes this an automatic choice for powering mini fridges, ovens, power blenders, and pellet smokers. The solar generator has 2 USB-C Type ports and 1 quick charge port to power your digital devices. Jackery has used MPPT technology that allows you to recharge this solar generator quickly. The generator will reach its full capacity in 8 hours if you charge it using 2 SolarSaga 100W solar panels. If you use 1 solar panel, it will take 17 hours for a complete recharge. You can also recharge the generator using AC outlets and 12V vehicle accessory ports. It will take 7 hours to reach full capacity if you recharge from an AC outlet and 14 hours from 12V vehicle accessory ports. There has not been any warranty period specified on the product's page. Number 2. Our second best pick is Aimtom Portable Solar Generator. This solar generator from Aimtom has a very affordable price tag. Still, the feature list is quite impressive. With a 155 watt-hour battery, Aimtom Portable Solar Generator provides 3 different outlets. There is one 110-volt AC outlet, 3 USB outlets, and 3 12-volt DC outlets. The weight of this generator is only 3.48 pounds, which are considered pretty lightweight. Along with such a low weight factor, it has an ergonomic design that makes it easier to carry around. The recharging options include solar panels, AC outlets, or a car charging port. While charging, there are a lot of safety features that will prevent overcharge, overheating, and other problems. Highlights: 155 watt-hour battery, 1 110-volt AC outlet, 3 USB outlets, 3 12-volt DC outlets, 48 pounds in weight. Ergonomic design. Overheat protection. Overcharge protection. Number 3. Our third best pick is Rockpals 250-watt portable generator. Rockpals is a well-known brand for its quality products. Fortunately, they also make solar-powered generators. Rockpals portable generator features a 240 watt-hour battery that has dual 120-volt AC outlets along with 4 12-volt DC outlets and 2 USB outlets. If you have a 60-watt or 100-watt solar panel available, you can recharge it with the solar panel without any problem. Otherwise, you can use any AC wall port to charge the battery within 8 hours. In case of road trips, you can also use your car charger for charging the generator. The generator only weighs 5.5 pounds, that helps it fit into the category of outdoor generators. Also, there is an inbuilt fan that prevents overheating of the battery. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Bluetti Portable Power Station. Bluetti has grown into an all-in-one power solution stop with over a decade of background experience. Some of its popular products include portable generators, solar panels, and power banks. Bluetti's Portable Power Station delivers a massive 2000 W to power up your household appliances. Besides, the power station can handle a power surge of 800 W. You can use this power station to charge high-power appliances such as a fridge, air conditioner, oven, and coffee maker. Using a 700W solar input, you can charge this power station within 3 to 3.5 hours. It has an MPPT charging mode that allows you to charge it 40% times faster using solar panels. You can also charge it using a 400W AC adapter in 5.5 hours or 24V/12V carports in 10 hours per 20 hours. By combining the AC adapter and solar input, you can charge the power station in 2.5 hours. Some of the other highlights of this power station include a smart LCD screen to show real-time data, intelligent temperature-activated fans for quieter operation, and Bluetti Eco mode that prevents up to 50% of electricity loss. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Allwei Portable Power Station. Founded in 2007, Allwei specializes in leveraging technology to develop portable power solutions that fulfill the diverse power consumption needs of customers. Allwei uses a 280 Wh lithium-ion battery that does produce any fumes or noise. The portable power station is capable of powering CPAP for more than 4 nights or a mini refrigerator for more than 5 hours. To connect the power station to other devices, there are 2 AC outputs, 3 DC ports, 2 USB ports, 1 cigarette lighter port, and 1 Type-C quick charge port. The power station weighs only 6.5 pounds and can be carried easily using the handle. The portable power station has a built-in smart cooling fan that activates automatically and prevents overheating. It comes with a flashlight with an SOS design that you can use during a power outage. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.